Hey everyone, it's Simon here. Welcome to your daily video newsletter for Tuesday, the 9th of April, 2024. Stocks did a whole lot of nothing on Monday. S&P and Nasdaq both closed essentially flat, which is, I guess, to be expected. Markets had a little bit of a wobble late last week, and we have got CPI coming up on Wednesday. Inflation data has been re-accelerating of late, and if we see CPI come in hotter than expected, it's going to put further pressure on the Fed to probably maintain rates rather than cut them. That's something the equity market's unlikely to love. It's something that tech will like less than the broader market. If we look at the Nasdaq here, you can see the Nasdaq has actually been underperforming the S&P. Really, it's made no progress over the last 6 weeks. It's just been trading very, very flat, whereas the S&P has been making some progress to the upside. Now, this candle on Thursday, I did record a video explaining this a couple of days ago. This is a bearish key reversal. A bearish key reversal is when price opens above the previous candle's high and closes below the previous candle's low. And in a bear market or in a downtrend, bearish key reversals certainly have bearish implications. If you look at the S&P over the last, look at the Nasdaq over the last 20 odd years, we've only had like 3 or 4 prior instances where we've had a bearish key reversal candle when the index has been within 1% of all-time highs. And the implications haven't been bearish. It's a small data set, but the market is generally, in every case, has continued on with its uptrend. Now, the fact that the S&P is leading the Nasdaq at the moment, it itself could be interpreted as a warning sign, or it could just be a sign of sector rotation. The market seems to be pricing in an environment of continued sticky or higher than target inflation, which is why we're seeing the Nasdaq underperform. If we look at tech, XLK, that's clearly underperforming. If we look at IGV, which is the software sector, that's kind of rolling over. If we look at things like industrials, they're on fire. Industrials look fantastic. If we look at financials, they look really, really good too. So we could just be seeing some sector rotation out of tech, software in particular, and into those more cyclical sectors of the economy. Or I should say sectors of the stock market that represent more cyclical sectors of the economy. Despite everyone's nervousness following that big red candle, the S&P here is above all key moving averages. We are in an uptrend. This is still a bullish chart. And with symbols like ARKK, ARKK was up strongly on Monday. It's not a great looking chart, but ARKK was up 2%. If we look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin had a strong session as well on Monday. It was up 3.3%. Just shows you that the market is not washing its hands of risk altogether at this point. That's what I got for you. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Thank you.